So the water is very clear for this time of year. We picked a good time to come here. And you can see the bottom step under the water. Is this natural or is it man-made? We're going to try to find out.
That one can be rolled out.
Think so? Okay.
Well,
I'm going to get my gloves again. Do you think we even need the tarp?
wow. No, I don't think it fits that good out here.
Let me try to move one of these.
Got them that far anyway. You just stack them in the water here. I'll just stack them on here.
Okay,
Yep.
here. Here's this one.
Here, I'll throw this to you, Elroy.
All right.
Oh, can you go from there to here?
Yeah, I can.
Put them on that rock.
On the stepstone? Yeah. See, it's already being used again.
You ready?
So we're about ready to start. We've played our full hand.
Yep.
We've got the stakes out, we've got the tarp, we've got the fence, we've got the sandbags. So here's the plan. We're going to bail, we're going to plug in the sump pump, and we're just going to go for broke. If things start caving in, let them cave in, because there's nothing else we can do. But hopefully we can get it down enough where I can just get some shots of it. Yep. That's our whole goal. It doesn't even have to be down that long. Yeah. Our plan kind of is working. We've exposed a lot of the stone. And is it man-made or is it natural? It's very round, but it looks like the top was chiseled flat. It's a nice smooth flat part. Then we've got two steps. A step here with a nice 90-degree corner. It's all covered in moss. And there's the bottom step. We finally exposed the bottom step. So it's step, step, and then step. And when the water is high enough, this works perfect to walk up. We did it last year. Okay, Stan is gonna try it out here. I got it. I'm in vertical mode, unfortunately, but.
All right, we don't want to lose the camera, man.
Goes up
Okay.
Or the camera.
so it's a pretty nice climb, actually.
Careful with the camera.
It's a nice
I
step.
feel like a Viking right here.
And if there was a boat right there, you could climb right in.
Yeah, you could, because it would lend itself to bringing a boat right
It was Jim.
Oh, anyway, we got some good pictures.
So, as I was looking at the rock, I just noticed some lines here that looked a little peculiar, like right there. You see that line there, that line going back there. We got a little line going here and a line going there. So if that's of any interest.
You can really see the steps now.
Yeah.
Look at that. So, oh no, pull that tree back again.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Okay, here's a really good shot. The sun is coming in. Duke is pulling the tree back, and you can the sun is shining down on those steps. Now tell me those aren't man-made steps, people. Sorry. That could happen by accident, I guess, but the fact that it's right here, right next to where the anchor stone was found and all this old riprapping, going down the shoreline. I think this was where they used to park their boat, and this is the stepstone.